this video, and I'm going to capture this.
So we are at the door of the Chiang Kai Shek Memorial Hall.
Oh yes, we are.
Because we got here almost 6 p.m. So we still saw the bus. No, not the bus. The statue. But they also closed the door on us. So
Yes, they did.
which is serendipitous because I don't think many tourists actually see the closing of the memorial because they'll never hear at that time, especially when it's raining like this.
Uh-huh.
So I say it's serendipitous for us. So they're good and bad in everything. Happy birthday,
Thank you. Happy birthday to me.
Shangri Laila.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's move around. Uh, we'll show the background. There. So, ano yun sa background?
Background. Well, that's Liberty Square. And, well, of course, the name. I don't know what they call it. The gate.
Alright. Happy birthday to
Tamen.
me. What's that?
Tamen.
What's Tamen?
Big gate.
Ah,
Big
okay.
door. I'm making this up. I'm making this up as I speak.
Ciao na?
Yeah. Saichen.
Adios.